Ever been stranded with a dead battery? Fear no more. Today, we're diving into the world of portable power with the GOOLOO GT4000S. This compact powerhouse is not just a jump starter. It's a versatile tool that can save the day in countless situations. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful gadget that every car owner needs in their toolkit, the GOOLOO GT4000S. This compact jump starter promises to keep you powered up on the road. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. GOOLOO GT4000S. The GOOLOO GT4000S is an ultra-compact jump starter designed for vehicles up to 8.0L gas and 6.0L diesel engines. With a peak current of 4,000 amps, it's capable of jumping most cars, trucks, and SUVs with ease. Holding the device, it weighs just about 3.5 pounds and fits easily in your glove compartment. But don't let its size fool you. This little beast packs a serious punch. Features graphics highlighting each feature. Now let's talk features. The GT4000S comes with several impressive capabilities. Fast charging. It includes USB-C input-output, allowing you to charge your devices quickly. Perfect for road trips. LED flashlight. Need to find your way in the dark? The built-in LED flashlight has 3 modes: standard, SOS, and strobe. Smart protection. The intelligent jumper cables ensure safety with overcurrent, overvoltage, and short-circuit protection. Multifunctional. It can also be used to charge laptops and other electronics with its multiple output ports. Usage demo jump starter on a car battery. Let's see it in action. Here's how easy it is to jumpstart a car with the GT4000S. Of the battery terminals, as the host connects the jumper cables. Simply connect the red clamp to the positive terminal and the black clamp to the negative terminal. Turn on the jump starter and start your vehicle. Starting the car successfully, and there you go! The car starts effortlessly. It really is that simple. Pros and cons, pros and cons. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros: high peak current for heavy-duty vehicles, compact and portable design, multiple charging options. Safety features. Cons: a bit pricey compared to basic models. Charging time for the unit itself can be longer than expected. Final thoughts. So, is the GOOLOO GT4000S worth the investment? Absolutely. If you're looking for a reliable jump starter that's versatile and easy to use, this is a fantastic choice. It's a must-have for anyone who drives regularly. GOOLOO GT4000s from various angles. The GOOLOO GT4000s is an ultra-compact jump starter designed for vehicles up to 8.0L gas and 6.0L diesel engines. With a peak current of 4,000 amps, it's capable of jumping most cars, trucks, and SUVs with ease. This means whether you're driving a compact car or a heavy-duty truck, this device has got you covered. It weighs just about 3.5 pounds and fits easily in your glove compartment or backpack. But don't let its size fool you. This little beast packs a serious punch. It's perfect for those emergency situations where you need a boost, but don't want to lug around a bulky jump starter. Features. Now let's dive into the features. The GT4000S comes with several impressive capabilities that make it stand out. Fast charging. It includes USB-C input-output, allowing you to charge your devices quickly. Perfect for road trips. You can charge your phone, tablet, or even a laptop in a pinch. LED flashlight. Need to find your way in the dark? The built-in LED flashlight has 3 modes: standard, SOS, and strobe. It's incredibly handy for emergencies or when you're working on your car at night. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Weekly Tools for more reviews and tips on the best tools for your garage. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until next time, stay charged up.